Hello, good afternoon, happy Father's Day. Today we're reviewing the 5-shot Stars of Thunder by Clown Fireworks. This would be the RM1005. 5 shots. Do not hold in hand. Warning, choose flaming balls. Do not hold in hand. Use under close adult supervision. For outdoor use only. Bury tube halfway in the sand or soil and point away from people and flame materials. Light fuse and get away. I don't get away. We're gonna see what this bad boy does. Light it. Here, light it. Light it. Light it. Clown Fireworks, RM1005, 5-shot, Stars of Thunder.